A single serving Zuppa Toscana soup recipe that tastes so much better than any restaurant version. It's easy to make and can be ready in less than 30 minutes. Hi, I'm Joni from OneDishKitchen.com, your #1 source for single serving recipes. If you're a fan of Olive Garden restaurants in the US, you might be familiar with their popular Zuppa Toscana soup. It's one of my favorite dishes and I couldn't wait to create a single serving version of their recipe. Zuppa Toscana simply means Tuscan soup. It is traditionally made with kale, potatoes, onions, garlic, Italian meats, and cream. The soup is hearty and filled with amazing flavors. In my Zuppa Toscana for one, I always use spinach instead of kale, just because I always seem to have a bag of spinach in my refrigerator. And also when I use spinach, the soup cooks up faster. So here's how to make it. Cook 1 slice of bacon in a 2-quart saucepan over medium-high heat. Cook it until the bacon is crisp, which should take about 3 minutes. Transfer to a paper towel-lined plate with a fork. Add 1 link of Italian sausage that has had the casing removed to the pot. I'm using mild Italian sausage, but you can also use spicy Italian sausage, turkey sausage, chorizo, or a favorite sausage of yours. Add 1/2 cup of chopped onions, 1 clove of minced garlic, and 1/8 teaspoon of chili powder to the drippings and cook. Break the sausage up with a spoon until browned and no longer pink, which will take about 5 minutes. Pour in 1 cup of low-sodium chicken broth and 1 small russet potato that's been chopped. Make sure the potato pieces are the same size to just make sure they cook evenly. If you want to make a low-carb Zuppa Toscana, use cauliflower instead of potatoes. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to medium-low and simmer to cook the potatoes for about 10 to 12 minutes. Add in 1 cup of fresh spinach and cook for 3 minutes. Remove from the heat and stir in 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Pour into a bowl and top with crumbled bacon, and feel free to add a little shredded Parmesan if you'd like. Thank you so much for watching. Also check out the rest of our videos and share them with your friends and family. And visit OneDishKitchen.com where we have hundreds of single serving recipes. At One Dish Kitchen, cooking for one is all we do. Bye for now.